In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by selecting Recorder app, and if you never used it before, click in on while using the app in the pop-up. Then Allow in the second one. Now before starting recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Settings, and manage all of them however you want to. When you're ready, go back. Now to finally start recording, select this red button at the bottom. Then choose Allow or Don't Allow in the Notifications pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on Bookmark over here. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and choose Play button on the left. And to end it and save it, the square one on the right. Now you can name your recording however you want to and hit Save. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it instead. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!